In today's video, I'm going to teach you to increase your American Express credit limit. If you're aiming to boost your spending power or lower your credit utilization for a healthier score, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish in a clear, simple way. First, log into your American Express account either on the website or through the mobile app. Make sure you're signed in to the correct profile and the specific card you want to adjust. If you use the app, keep an eye out for the latest layout, as menus can shift with updates, but the process remains the same. Next, head to the Account Services or Credit Management section. You're looking for the option that says Request a Credit Limit Increase. It's often listed under Card Management or similar wording. If you don't see it right away, use the site's search bar or scroll a bit. American Express usually keeps it in a straightforward place. When you open the request form, you'll be asked for your desired new credit limit. Enter a number that reflects your needs and your comfort level. In many cases, you may be eligible for a higher amount, sometimes up to around 3 times your current limit, depending on your account history and overall profile. Remember, a higher limit can help lower your utilization if you keep balances low, which can be beneficial for your credit health. After entering the amount, submit your request. Most decisions are made instantly or within a short time. If it takes a bit longer, don't worry, that can happen while the system reviews your account. Before you hit submit, it helps to make sure a few things are in good shape. A strong payment history with on-time payments, low balances relative to your limit, and updated income details all improve your chances. If the form asks for your current income, provide accurate, up-to-date numbers so the decision reflects your real capacity. It's also useful to know how the credit check works. Many American Express credit limit increase requests involve only a soft credit inquiry, which doesn't affect your credit score. In some cases, a hard inquiry may occur, which can cause a small temporary dip. American Express will handle that as part of the review, and you'll be notified of the outcome. And that's it. Log in, navigate to the credit limit increase option, choose a reasonable new limit, submit, and let the system do its work. With strong habits and accurate information, you'll put yourself in the best position for approval.